Let's make a bass every house producer should have, and it's super simple. First, set the patch to mono and phase to 0 for consistent hits. Load Serum 2's new saw triangle waveform, great for bright highs and rounded lows. Pitch it down a couple of octaves. Duplicate it with Alt or Option drag, set it to 1 octave up with 2 voices of unison for width. High pass this layer and blend back in with Osc-A. Add a touch of noise, filtering out the lows. Let's shape it with a plucky amp envelope. Add a 24 dB low pass filter. An envelope modulating the cutoff. And adjust resonance to taste. In the effects, split the frequencies to keep the low end clean, then add downsample distortion on the transient with an envelope. And optionally a dimension expander for some extra size. If you want to support these videos, you can grab 20% off all of my presets using the link in the description below, and thanks for watching.